siguro to na sa gabi, no? Mailaw. Ano?
We ran so fast up the mountain as the sun fell low.
Ang purpose namin sa video is for memories. Someday, babalikan namin. Hindi lang basta alaala. Pwede namin mapanood yung mga ginawa namin nung kami ay mga bata pa. Nung kami ay hindi pa mahina. Nung kami ay mabilis pa maglakad. Nakakapagmotor pa. Nakakapunta pa kung saan-saan. Mababalikan namin lahat ito. So yun ang pinaka-purpose kung bakit din natin ginagawa ito.
So make these moments last.
Grabe, akala ko hindi kami makakaakyat, oh. Grabe, inakyat namin, oh. Tignan mo. Galing kami sa baba, oh.
I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high.
Ito yung kitchen, dirty kitchen. Parang wala naman ito. Shower. So dito magbo-bonfire, kaya lang basa. Okay. Ito yung grill. Nice. Okay. Uy, ayos to ah. Pwede ba tayo dito?
Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes, when I'll be coming home, on my way, when I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play.
Yun. Yan. Yan o, doon kami galing o. Yan, pababa. Doon, pababa. Mas nakita namin ito doon. Yan. Maganda siguro ito na sa gabi, no? Mailaw. Ano?
Okay ba?
Bilis man. Ha?
Kita yung view, yung maganda, hindi against the light.
Paano ba ito?
Just wanna watch them stars fall.
Oh, may outdoor sa...
Tamo, doon pala tayo galing kanina din, oh. Yung may tower. Doon pala tayo galing kanina. Yung may kasada.
Pwede ba pa?
Ayan, yan, ganda, oh. 1, 2, 3. Ganda na eh. Picture lang kita na dito.
Hindi pa ako naka-makeup. Bukas na.
Ayan, oh. Kita yung mountain, oh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, you can.
It's not what we know,
Yan, nice.
Ganda, oh.
it's where we
Right,
go. I grow wings to tell
Tell me, oh,
her
ganda.
Naka-makeup pa.
Well, it's not what we
Sige.
see.
Hindi ako marunong gumamit nito.
It's what we choose to be.
Buti nga sila no, may okay sa smile. Yung pa yung gusto nila, si Maytan ayaw nila nung picturean. Sasabihin last na. Si Kali ganun. You wanna buddy? Come here. Come on here. Yeah, it's meant to be. Kali, you won't fall. It can hold you. Pag nalaglag ka naman, di mo. Eh, para naman to. Ano to yung Merry's Adventure. Si Tori ang story ang mas ano.
Pero gusto ko sa kanya, maano siya, hindi siya nauubusan.
Pagka energy na naka-charge ang 100%.
Okay. Look sa camera.
Look at the camera. Come on, Dolly. Here. Oh.
Don't want?
Nag-ano na yung paa niya niya. Nagbabalat. Oo. Kasi, ganun talaga minsan. Dahil mainit kasi. Ha? It's solo mo, Daddy.
Ikaw, ayaw mo na?
Base mag-game. Come here. Wait. Let me do this.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay.
Chinelas ko. Basa nga lang. Basa nga lang. Kita mo kung bakit ito na.
Some flowers, high grass, and bare feet.
pause the game.
Say hi, Bali.
Each second is a dream.
Hindi, nagalaw
I
siya.
keep my balance next to you. It's true. Nowadays there's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
Come on.
Fire breath and open
Ayun, dyan na. Picture ka tayo. Sige, okay lang yan. May make up natin yan. 1, 2, mami, excuse.
It's where we
1,
go.
2, 3.
I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. We're beyond good.
Okay.
I'm gonna feel the water.
It's cold.
I thank you guys.
Grabe, oh. Nasa taas talaga siya ng, ano, tingnan mo. Charan!
They say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty.
Yun, si Starkey, oh. Starkey! Galing mo talaga. Dito tayo.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December and the sound of the falling snow. The fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box.
Keep him in there. You might get some nicer rooms if you play Uno.
Oh, he's not here. Have you ever heard of Maculot and Tinawag right down? Oh.
Then you're not allowed to sit down. You're playing Uno, right? I'll teach you. Just come over.
It's the easiest game.
We have so many games.
Dapat nagawin yung
Guys, we're gonna play Uno. Okay. No, he's not free. But you're just, but if you play Uno, you can You're playing Uno. Good. Now you get next to the river. I was setting it up. 5 people.
Sabi si may tanong.
You're playing Eartha, right?
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Wait, hold on. Is that allowed? Okay, at least it's allowed. We got that. It's your turn to imagine getting 6. No, there's no 6. Oh, it's
There's usually 6.
I'm ready.
If there was no 0, then
Ooh, 3.
that's not fair! I'll be right there. Why is it recording?
1.
Guys, why is this recording?
Dad just.
Dad. Stop
That's
playing sound effects. Stop playing sound effects. Son. Stop playing sound effects. Son.
Son! Wait, you literally said how you did it.
That's it.
That was the. Now I'm left with the hardest one.
Son. Son.
Oh, I love this.
1.
Son.
Wait, I want to play.
Oh, yeah. Ano ka na?
Do you guys want to play Trouble?
Trouble, what's that?
It's a game I brought you. You guys want to play it?
Oh, you suck at Jenga! You suck at Jenga! You suck!
Machu, ayaw mo maligo? Why? Malamig?
Jackson, you need to wear your thing.
Do what?
You need to wear your
Oh, it's cold.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, ooh. so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, ooh. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one.
Almost 9:30 nagising pa yung mga bata. Iba tulog na.
Actually, top of the day.